Hi Tyler, my name is Kelly. I work at the National Zoo and Aquarium in Canberra. This little boy is Innes. He's a big sock. And you can hear him purr. I heard one of your favourite animals is cheetahs. I have to admit mine is too. These guys are really cool. They're built for speed, as you know. They can leap, and when they're running, up to 8 meters long. Huge, they're pretty much flying through the air, and they can actually use their tail to turn mid-air. How cool is that? But this guy here, Innes, you can hear, he's a big sock. Hello, boys. We give them big scratches, and we do meet a cheetah here, so you can go in with these guys and give them big pats. Hello, handsome boy. And they don't roar, they meow. So you can hear the purring. He also meows like a house cat. Hi, Innes. What are you doing?